On the last 3 episodes, I have been restoring my old 386 computer, performing a deep clean and replacing some damaged parts. Finally, it's the turn of the keyboard, which I hope will function again. I hope you enjoyed the last episode of the 386 restoration project. Unfortunately, the keys have to be washed by hand one by one, but I can tell you that the results can be seen immediately. Also, they look very good for now, so I don't think I'm going to retrowrite them. Meanwhile they get dry, I will clean the rest of the keyboard. It's unbelievable how much dirt it can accumulate. That makes me wonder what many keyboards at home or in the office can hide surprises inside. And much better. Now it's time to replace the cable with the new one. And done. I can now put all the parts together again. This is looking completely different. I'm very happy with the result. It's a huge difference from the starting point. It's true that the keys still look a little bit yellow, and perhaps I do some retro brighting in the future, but for now it will stay as is. And the last step will be to put back all pieces together, including the new batteries that I'm going to fix on the case. I know I will have to move them if I plan to put some drive in the future, but for now this will be a great spot. I will also have to find a solution for this unmatched cover. Probably some glue will be fine. And this is the result. A fantastic 386SX with 40 megabytes of RAM in perfect working conditions, like the first day. I think that this will be a great station to try some old games or do some experiments. No emulator is ever the same than the real machine. And this one, for its history and what it represents to me, it's a golden piece in my collection. I can't wait to do something. And it's the first thing I did when I was a kid and my dad let me use this computer for the first time to play my, back then, favorite game. Oh yeah, what memories. I wonder how they were able to put that much information and functionality in only 330 kilobytes. Probably that could be the topic for a future video, who knows. Anyway, before I lose myself on my childhood again, I hope you enjoyed this video series as much as I did doing them, and hope to see you again in another project on Bits and Frames. Thank you very much for watching.